Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. Oh, da doo-dah day.
I want to pray for my here brother Michelangelo. No, it's just Michael, man. Oh, it's just Mike. All right. I want to pray ain't nothing wrong with him. He just one bad, ugly looking mother. Hey, man, what? Hey, just go along with him, man. Just go along with it. I want to pray that he find the love of his life.